The topic of the presentation would be the Supreme Court's interference in the migrant workers' condition during the pandemic. When the pandemic hit India in March 2020, the lower class people uh, who came to the city to work uh, got really hassled up with the rumor spreading that the lockdown would occur for a very longer duration, which panicked them to go back to their own homes. Uh, the migrant workers come to the big cities to get jobs, better paid jobs, which they wouldn't be getting in their own hometowns. Since there was the cutoff of all the transports in India during the lockdown, the migrant workers were helpless, and they had to go to their homes either by walking, by walking on the roads, that too without any food, which led to the death of many migrant workers during the uh, journey. It was either due to the food problem, or there were few migrant workers who even got hit on by the truck. There were around 16 migrant workers who died because of the incident. This led to the intervention of Supreme Court for bringing on laws for the betterment of migrant workers. The court arranged a bench panel of three judges, which were Bhushan, Paul, and Shah. They brought in the notice to all the states such as Maharashtra, Bihar, UP, Odisha, Delhi, and Gujarat, where the migrant workers were transporting from one place to another, to get to give free supply of food and all the essentials while they were staying at a place or while they were traveling back to their place, uh, and also to provide a transportation system by road or by train, so that they wouldn't, for their safety. Also, uh, there was a provision that asked the states to follow all the orders provided by the uh, Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also reprimanded all the states who weren't really obeying the orders. Um, the provision of ration, providing a dry ration to the migrant workers, even though they did not have the ration card or Aadhaar card, was being applied. As a citizen would get 5 kg of dry grain per person every month for a span of 2 months. The policy was applied, but there were also issues coming up, such as states were doing a malpractices of not providing ration to the migrant workers who didn't have the essential identities, because they were doubting that whether they were really a migrant worker, or they had a secured job. So these were the issues, and uh, Supreme Court interference in the pandemic of COVID. Thank you.